Guys, we are back and we're going to do some more sparklers.
I don't think you'll get a single view uploading this.
We'll get more spark. Oh wow, look at that firework. Whoa, look at those fireworks. I just saw fireworks go. Oh, something's happening over there. Oh god. Listen, that looks. Just gonna ignore that. I saw fireworks there. No, ignore that. Okay. We'll make more sparklers. Oh yeah. Is that mine? Come on, not mine. Sparkler, sparkler. There we go. Light it up. Light the place on fire. It's nearly there. Yeah. There we go, guys. This is a sparkler. Yeah, what? No. Wow, look at this. Look at this sparkler. Compared to my sweet hair. Look at this. In the sparkler. What if I throw it on the fence? What if I throw it on the fence? Well, what if I throw it on the fence? Well, what if I throw it on this wooden fence? What if I throw it on the grass? What if I throw it on the grass? Can I throw it on the grass? I'll throw it on the grass.
No.
Let's find out what happens, guys. Yeah, I'm done.
No, you might set fire to the grass, so don't be silly with it.
What, he's going out now?
Let's go.
Yeah, I throw it on the grass. Lovely. That is the second bit of lighting loads of sparklers for no reason. Thank you.